Haspa here with WTI.
And I bleached my hair a couple months ago, and so I had to start taking care of my hair even more than I used to. And this Sebastian Professional Penetraitt conditioner is perfect for damaged and color treated hair, which is how I would describe my hair right now. I deal with dry hair. It is so annoying whenever I'm trying to do my hair and I see that it doesn't look nice. It looks dull, it looks really dry, and it is all because I bleached my hair. So taking care of it by conditioning it weekly is so important. And this treatment is amazing. What I do is I section my hair into two and then I apply this conditioner and leave it on from 5 to 10 minutes. It feels so much softer and I can detangle it super easy. It really keeps my hair looking hydrated and moisturized. It is much more manageable once I use it as well. And yes, my hair feels so grateful whenever I use this amazing conditioner. I never thought a product would help my hair so much after dyeing it and bleaching it, but this one has done what it promises, and that's why I love it. So if you want to try it out too, if you have bleached your hair and you want to try out a new conditioner, well, this one might help, and I hope you can try it too.
And that's my point of view.